Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 24 mode muscle stimulator to help with pain relief. It has a rechargeable battery. It has a 2x battery life for all your aches and pains. Alright, so right here we have this TENS and EMS unit device. So this is supposed to help with relieving your pain if you have sciatica. You just put these little patches on your sciatica area and it should help eliminate all your pains and discomforts. This is safe, non-invasive, drug-free method for pain relief and pain management. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into the box and see what you get in this little box. Alright, first off you can see the unit itself. I'm going to go ahead and take it out and put it to the side so you can see what comes in this unit. So right here you have a little mesh traveling bag. So you can take this with you on the go. You do have a quick start guide. This basically just tells you about the operation instructions, how to use it, how to charge it, the modes, the settings, how to place your pads, where to place your pads. Here's some information regarding the voltages, the number of pads, the type of method. They have troubleshooting, so if you have any issues with this, that should help you. You do get a set of pads. Here are these smaller pads to cover the smaller areas like your hands, your ankles, around your neck. Now you have these bigger pads. These areas will cover your back, your arms, your thighs, and the bigger areas. So you get a couple sets in here. And then now you get a couple cables. These are 4 independent channels, so they would do 4 different areas at the same time. So you get 4 of the wires. And then you have a Type-C charging cable. So these are the other 2 for the other 2 channels. And then here's your charging cable. The battery rechargeable capacity is 300 milliamp. Basically, you can get 40 hours off of one single charge. So this is a TENS and EMS independent 4-channel. You've got 24 modes, 40 hours of usage, 10 to 90 minute of timer. You got a screen lock, 20 intensities, and rechargeable. So up at the top, you have your channels. You've got your different modes. You've got your neck, your shoulder, your back, your elbow, hip, ankle, knee, arm, leg, wrist. You've got need, ACU, you've got tap, you got cupping, scraping, and you have random. So there's a lock button, time button, your power button, your mode up and down. So we're just going to go and turn it on. So each time you turn on a mode, it will show right here. So you've got your channel 1, 2, 3, and 4. You've got intensity. Here's your timer all the way from 10 minutes to 90 minutes. So there's your mode 2. They have a little picture of the man in the middle that basically shows you the area that it covers. So if we hit the shoulder, it'll get the shoulder area. You got the back, the neck, the hip. So here is the hip. And it'll show you right here on the display. So whatever area you click on, it will display on the man. So that's on the back of your legs. You got your back. So you have different modes. You've got the knee, the ACU, the tap, clipping, scraping, and you got random. So here are your channels. You've got channel 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is simple and effective. Various targeted body parts and massage techniques provides users with rich massage experience. So if you're like me and you have sciatica, this actually reaches the sciatica nerve and help eliminates the pain. So these wires just clip on here just like this, and then the pads go right into the top part right here. It is super easy. All you got to do is put the channel in, the wires in the channel, put the pads on, select your targeted area, and intensify or lessen the intensity. It's super lightweight. It kind of looks like a phone. At the bottom is the charger port. This is a standard type C. The charger is super fast. It only takes a few hours, where you can use it for a total of 40 hours of standby. Other ones have 180 milliamp hours. This one has a 300, so nearly double. You can see that you have all your channels here. You have your lock button. So if you, for instance, you have a preset area, you can set it and lock it so you don't accidentally change it. You can change the intensity level. This one goes all the way up to 12. And then you can change it down. You can move your channels, change your modes. There's 3. There's 4. So you can change the intensity of on the 1, 2. If you only want to use 2 pads, you'll just connect the 2 channels and use it that way. If you want to use all 4, you just connect all the wires to the top 4, and that should target your area. I would say if you're looking for pain relief without invasive procedures, I would say check this one out. I have a couple of these ones. Anytime I have any issues with my back pain, I always come to these. The great thing about this is you do get the pads, you get a travel case, you can purchase the pads here. They're not so expensive. So if you're looking for a not invasive pain relief, I would say check out this TENS and EMS device. You will be glad that you did.